It's not really much of an unboxing if you think about it, because we just got it off the counter and put it in a box. It's the H&F Bluetooth speaker review. Let's get started. The H&F Bluetooth speaker F109 features a sturdy design with a mesh-like material that's both durable and stylish. The top section has a handle made of a similar material, a slightly different design too, providing a secure grip, and the plastic cover or lids add a touch of sophistication, while the H&F logo on the front adds a bit of branding flair. The control panel is intuitive and easy to use. The volume up and down buttons are located on the top and bottom, allowing you to adjust the volume and fast forward or rewind through music or videos. Both buttons can be used to change tracks or videos by pressing and holding. The H&F F109 Bluetooth speaker features a range of ports, including a TF micro SD port, a USB port, and a Type-C port for charging. The ports are protected by a rubber cover with a clear inscriptions, making it easy to identify and access them when needed. The play or pause button is multifunctional, allowing you to play and pause music as well as change the LED lightning effect. Talking about LED lightning mode, the speaker features an impressive array of LED lightning modes, including a multicolored analogous mode, 6 color complementary primary colors of light, the primary and secondary color, smooth transitioning mode, a blinking mode, a merry-go-round, and a single color modes. The audio performance is quite impressive. It delivers clear and balanced sound with a 10-watt speaker driver and a battery life of approximately 6 to 8 hours. Trust me, the first day of use was awesome for me. I woke up about 2 a.m. just to charge it because it wouldn't go off while I used it throughout the day. The H&F F109 Bluetooth speaker is a feature-packed device that's perfect for music lovers on the go. With its sturdy design, intuitive control panel, and impressive LED lightning modes, this speaker is sure to impress. Now, overall, my thoughts on the H&F F109 Bluetooth speaker is that I'm impressed with the controls on the H&F F109 Bluetooth speaker, finding them easy to maneuver once you get used to them. The sound quality is also a highlight, with great bass and a unique feature where the sound seems to transmit from the bass to the top as the volume increases. The battery life is a major plus, with the box claiming 6 hours, but my experience shows it can last up to 8 hours on normal use and not on full volume. I think the full volume part is worth noting as it may affect the battery life. Also, my drawbacks is that the loud noise the speaker makes when you turn it on, it's kind of embarrassing.
HF speaker, best quality, best sound.
And annoying. It's also a party speaker, so I understand that it's gotta be loud. The radio mode is also nice. I got a chance to use it, but I haven't tried the USB mode and the SD card slot modes yet. I guess I'm gonna let you guys know on Instagram. Be sure to follow my Instagram social media handle. I'll drop it in the description of the video. But my overall impression is that despite some minor drawbacks, I find the H&F F109 Bluetooth speaker easy to handle and good for use. Alright, so one thing I almost forgot to mention is that I think it's worth the price. I actually bargained for it, so I got it at a price of 110 Ghana cedis. Right, so we can't actually talk about a speaker without letting you guys know how it sounds like, so um, here you go. Right, yeah, let's go. Let's try turning the volume up. This is the FM mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Connected. This is an MCS. Alright, so right now the sound is moving from the bass upwards. And you can see the vibrations on top here. It's so crazy, man. Yeah. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Peace.